Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone going? Today I am making seafood chowder. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. No mucking around guys. No mucking around. Time to get to the ingredients. Here I have prawns and pepis. Now these prawns I got from the fish shop, already marinated in garlic and a little bit of chili. Yeah, I know. You don't even put chili, but hey guys, it's a different twist for me too. So we're twisting this together, guys. And I've got that crab meat. You know, it's not a real crab meat. I don't know how they make it, but it's beautiful. I love it. So we'll just call it crab meat. It's always nice for potato salads or seafood salad, but anyway, it's for chowder today. So I have mussels. Look at this guys, it's whole mussel on top, but underneath it's already chopped up. See? Anyway, I have cream. I have 2 cream. You don't have to use it all. And then I've got the creamy seafood. This is creamy seafood that I bought last time for my cooking and I didn't use it, so I'll use it today. And guys, this cream of chicken does magic for the seafood chowder, guys. This makes beautiful flavor. So cream of chicken, that's what you need. I've got 2 packets here. I probably won't even use 2 packets, probably 1.5. And then I'll need the butter. The butter is for this lot, okay? And then I like this continental big parsley, so I'm going to be putting that in the sauce as well, guys. So here's all the ingredients, and I've already toasted me some of those breads, so I'm going to eat it after I make the chowder, guys. So once again, here's my ingredients. Just have to get all these ingredients together and you're gonna do it. Anyway, I'm gonna finish chopping off the mussels and then we're gonna get to it. Okay, gotta put the butter in, guys. Yeah, gotta put the butter in, guys, and then you have to put that cream of chicken in. I know, a lot of butter, right? Should I even put that much in? No, don't. So you gotta let that melt. Gotta let the butter melt, guys. So if you guys don't know how to make chowder, today you're gonna learn, right? And then you'll be making chowder for your family. Yeah. And then you go and show them that you can make the chowder. Anyway, that butter's got to melt first. Look at me, trying not to be patient. See, I don't like to cook slow. I am not a slow mover, no. Anyway, so the butter is almost melted. You want to have a look? I know you guys want to have a look. Ah, yeah, there. Look. Hear that? Yeah, okay. Hurry up, butter. Viewers are watching. Kope. Live nga rin po ako ay sawi. Kali ako eh. Yeah, okay guys. The heck? Okay. Whoa. Can you hear it sizzling? Then you put this in. Shake your booty. Yeah. Then I don't even know. Oh, anyway, and then you pour this in as well. Yep. That's seafood what? Seafood soup mix, guys. Okay, it's magic, and the cream of chicken is continental. See, I'll use anything. I'm not biased. Yep. So you mix these two in with the butter. Yeah, make the flavor. Then you get your cream. See how easy it is? All this time you guys thought, how do you make chowder? Well, this is the simple way, guys. Yep. And then I might have to use half of that soup mix, the chicken, but no, you don't need to. I don't think so. Anyway, you put in the cream and everything starts getting all thicked up. Thick. And at the moment it's not thick. But this is all to it, guys. And then you just chuck in your seafood, make it cooked a little bit or warm through, but cooked. Yeah, and I tell you what, Bob's your auntie, you know? It's all to it. Papia o go se whainga. No. So easy, guys. This is how easy it is. Anyway, come and have a look. Hey. Okay. I just remembered something. Rude. Okay, let's turn this down. I just remembered I need a curry. Curry and turmeric. Okay, I know I left the turmeric here last time. Ay. But the turmeric, how I put it? Anyway, guys, you need about a teaspoon of curry. So sorry. Bye. Yeah, nah. I think that's a teaspoon. And there. You just add in that little bit of curry and it makes all the flavour. You know how us Samoans, we add a bit of curry in our coconut cream to make our wharifo? Yeah, papia uma. Anyway, this is turmeric. If you only make what you eat, so we eat. 1, 2. Yeah, nah. Back on my shoe. Oh, cute. Guys, it looks fantastical. Come and have a look. Look at that. Oh la la. I think I want a little bit, just a little bit more turmeric-y. You know, you can adjust it to the way you want, guys. It's up to you, your food, your style, you do it. You can even add, okay, I'm gonna add, no, I'll put the mussels in first. So I drained it a bit, and now the mussels go in. Ooh, looks good. Ready. Yep, time for the spoon. Take away the whisk. Looks a bit thick. See, this is why you don't add everything in it all at once, because you want to adjust it here and there. When you see it's not the way you want it, so you thicken it up a bit more. No, what up a better? You add a bit more cream. Okay, and then I'll put in this seafood crab meat, the pepelo one. Hey, it's imitation crab meat, but hey, guys, it does the job. Do you know how many seafood salad this crab has helped our Polynesian people to do seafood? Yeah, so we can't knock it, guys. Imitation or what? Still delicious. Okay, and now, I know, I'll wait till the mussels cook a little bit longer. Oh, look at that, guys. Look. It's as simple as that. Hiya. 11 coffee loa pe whawhenga me whaile chowder. 11 coffee loa. But for those who don't know how to make it, this is the way, guys. This is the way. And now, just want to add in the prawns and the pippies. Some people call it cockles. I call it pippies. And look, if I say it's pippy, yeah, kula, yeah, wait on. Ooh, yep, this last bit of cream can go in. Even though there'll be a few, you know, water coming out of the seafood. But you still need to finish off your cream. Lala me la koe ko ia cream ale whaanga o mai. Ooh. So guys, don't forget, that is the little secret there. The continental cream of chicken. Then you add in the Maggi seafood soup mix, cream, love. That's all you need for this. Right. Then you gently simmer it. Gently simmer it. Hang on, wait. Hello, can you hurry up? I can't see it bubbling. Whamai gently, I know if I copy. I've got no patience. Oh, look at all that. Ooh la la. La. Yep. Guys, you guys are gonna love this when you make it. But you gotta leave me a comment down below. Okay? Gotta come back and let me know if you make it. Okay? And if people don't know how to make it, you don't tell them until next time. Until they give you $20 for the recipe. Wait a while. Or you can tell them to come watch my channel. That'll help them. Anyway, you know the prawn? It has like garlic. It's marinated in garlic and some chili. So I have a little bit of like a ting. Yeah, I don't usually cook with chili, guys. I was gonna wash it off, but I thought, what for? Leave all the garlic, leave all the chili, and give it another little kind of flavor and taste. And you know me, I'm all about the taste. Ooh, slowly warming up, guys. Okay, I'll put this stuff away. Excuse me. I just add a bit of this onion salt, okay? Nice onion powder. Okay, that's it. I'll throw these away. Doing its job. Umay makamaka. Alright. That is the seafood chowder, guys. Hey, look at all that. But don't mush it up too much because then all the pippies and everything will come out of the shower. And then you got no pippy in the shower. And these are my toast that I toasted earlier. Can you hear that? ASMR toast. So I'm going to butter it, guys. I'm going to butter it. I see some people in New Zealand, they pack on the butter. You know, it's so thick. It's like cheese. It reminds me of a story. I had this boyfriend in Tama, right? Back in the days. He said that he always wanted to know what other kids' sandwiches was all about, meaning he wants to be a scab and ask for other kids' sandwiches. So he used to make these sandwiches, right? And he used to slice the butter so thick that he would tell the kids it's cheese, and then he'll do swaps with them. There's no cheese, it's thick butter. I said, really, Tama? You are so bad. I like it. No. Yeah, I know, when he told me that, I thought, Rude! Lucky he didn't swap it with me. He's gonna ka ele with his sandwich. Ai Whenele ia maku ringa ai koe whao mai lo sa musi lenga awi ai. Yeah. And then I'll turn him around and I'll kick his butt. I'll kick his butt. Nah. Yeah. That's what you'll get. Yeah, when you told me that, I just imagine myself getting a sandwich by someone, swapping. And you know me and food, I will fight for food. I will. Yeah. I thought, this guy, oh my gosh, they're not doing anything hanky-panky with me. Anyway, Samoan, wherever you are out in New Zealand, yeah, kia ora, because, no, it's kia ora na, because he's a Cook Islander. I hope he's well out there. He was very good to me, you know, guys. He was. He would do anything. But those were those days. Today, I'm with a man that don't listen. Got no taringa ringa. But he's still a good man. Don't tell him I said it. But yeah. Ooh, looking good, guys. Oh, even smells good. Like me. Oh, hiya. See, stop it. Stop it. Okay, I'm not gonna put this butter. Anyway, I'm gonna tidy up a bit and then I'll come back. Okay, guys? You better get you guys some snacks, otherwise you're gonna be so hungry. Okay, guys, who noticed that I didn't put the parsley in? I know, poor parsley. I went and washed it, right? And then I was letting it drip dry over there. Then I went to throw the rubbish away and I saw it and it was looking at me like, what about me? You didn't care, you didn't come back for me. And I said, oh, stop your being a sook, hurry up then, come, I'm going to turn on the camera and put you on there. Far out, I tell you what, this food can be such a crybaby, wanna be a drama, yeah, it's, see how it got angry with me and jumped out? Stop it, behave yourself, people are watching. Oh, I nearly didn't put more parsley in. See how good the parsley tastes? Especially this flavour. Especially this flavour. See, cool, yeah? See, parsley singing. See, don't even know how to talk about me properly. Hey, Faye, you're so sad. Hey, stop it, okay? Look how much I'm putting in it. But guys, this parsley is so delicious. So this is it, guys. Bye. Ah, I'm in love with a ballad singer. Yep. Oh. You know what I need? Honestly. Yeah. This is what it needs. Gotta have pepper, guys. Gotta have pepper. Ooh, these things are so hard. You know, arthritis, I only even take back. Go. Yeah, never. Looks good, guys. Nice, eh? Time to eat. Look at that. Ooh la la. And here's my crusty bread to eat it with. Look at all that butter. Yeah. Bam. Anyway, guys, here's the end result. You guys saw the end result, didn't you? So don't forget, it's got the pippies, prawns. I bought the garlic prawn, guys. I think it's the best idea, you know. Get the garlic prawn so the garlic's already in it. Okay, hang on. So first of all, I'm going to try out the mussel. No, you can try out the mussel, yeah. Sharing is caring, guys. Cooked very, very nice. It's so good. The heck was the same. Did you see how easy it was to make? Yeah guys, that's all it needed. You need a whole lot of lard. And yeah, look at some bread. Yeah. Eat a pippy. The prawn. It just got to the cooking stage and it stopped. It's not overcooked. Yum, 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 yum. I know it, guys. That's easy. Yep, right, I can't cook. I'm always having something in my mouth. But, what? It's so good. See, with the 2 packets of sachet, you don't need any salt. Unless you really love salt, then you put in a bit more salt. Otherwise you don't. Muscle. It's so lovely, guys. I bet you guys are not going to be able to wait to make it. The crab meat, some people call it sashimi. I call that crab meat. Same thing, I guess. Pippy came out of the shell. So good, guys. I wash my hands, because I knew I would eat. And here's my papa. Anyway, now where were we? These pippies are so nice too. It's so good that everything's available. You guys gotta take care out there with the coronavirus. Always wash your hands. Wash your hands and keep dirty hands away from your face, guys, until you wash it. And I know people will think, oh, I'm not scared, I will go out there. But until they find the cure for it, then it's alright to go out there. You know what I mean? Hang around a lot of people. Then you can run to the doctor or hospital and they cure you straight away. Otherwise, if they don't find a cure just now, just be careful. This is lovely. I normally, you know how the crab meat's twirled in a circle? I normally like to open it up and just have the little strips. But I forgot. Anyway. Not they say, did you die? No. Don't be cheeky. Yeah, you got to have pippy. It's got the pippy inside. And the other side's got a nice sewer. Look at the juice. And then the baby, baby just jump out. Hey, shh. Yeah, work if you go, mate. Ah. Man, this is so good. You know what, guys? Now you see it. Now you have to go and try it. Make it for yourself. Just if you don't already know to make it. Yeah, you can feel a little bit of kick of the chili that was with the prawn. It's nice. I like it. Anyway, guys, yeah. You don't want to go for a lot of fun. What me? I wait one. I all lot. Be good girls and boys, wait one. And I'll see you on my next cooking or my next mukbang, whatever. Wait one. So good. I wish I can pass this through the camera for you. I wish. So good. I'll rate this 20 out of 11. You all up. 524. Take care. Don't forget, always pray first before you do your day. Okay? Love your parents. Take care of one another. And enjoy life. But be careful of the coronavirus. Wait a minute. Pass it for